Hello students, welcome in Babita science tutorial, and let's continue our first chapter of a class 8 NCERT science, that is a crop productions and management. This one is a part 8. In this video I will explain you about the crop productions. In the previous video I have explained about the irrigations and the weeding and the many other topics. Okay, let's continue this topic, that is your crop protection. And crop protection is also one kind of a task which comes under the agricultural practices. Let's start now. Crop protection, insects, rats, mites, birds are the organisms that damage the crops and reduce their yields. Yes, student, it's true that these are the organisms which can destroy your crops and reducing the crop yielding. So what you will do? How you will protect your crops? Okay, the which type of step you will use to protect your crops? Then here it is written, first point is that by raising wire fences and boundary walls helps to protect fields from the stray animals. No, suppose that this one is a field here, this one is a field here. On the sides of this field you can use the fence, fence. People are using the fence of the wires also sometimes like this, and means this one is a, or give the boundaries on the sides of the field. In this way you can protect your field from the stray animal. The stray animals will not come inside your field, and you can protect your crops from the stray animals. First point is this one. Okay, second point, yes, birds can also eat and destroy grains of standing crops. It's true. So how you will protect your crops from the birds? Then second step is that in the field. Okay, this is the field. Okay, so how you can scare the birds? By using the scarecrows. You have seen in the field that people can use the bamboos and using a stick like bamboos and keep the pots here and making the eyes nose like this. Okay, this one is called the scarecrow. And then when birds can see this one, they can go away from the field. So in this way, here 2 points are given here. In this way you can protect the crop from the wild animals or from the birds. Okay, now some other chemicals are also here. With the help of these chemicals also we can protect our crops from the insects, rats, mites and birds. Let's see now. Here it is given there, a large portion of grains are consumed and damaged by many insects and rats. Yes, many insects and rats are destroy the crops. Then what we will do here? Then we can use here pesticides. Student, I told to you that sides means to kill. Okay, the chemicals which can use to kill the pest, that is called the pesticides. See here, a liquid that is sprayed on the crop plants to control the pest is known as a pesticides. Then some common pesticides name is given here. See here, malathion, DDT, BSC and diastones. 1, 2, 3, 4 examples are given of the pesticides. These pesticides we can use in the crop fields. It cannot be destroy your main crops. Okay, it can destroy, it can kill only the pest. Then definition of the pesticide is the chemicals which we use to kill the pest, that is called the pesticides. Another is here insecticides. No, or sorry, rodenticides here. Then rodenticides are used to kill the rodents such as the rats. The rats can also destroy the crops. No, then rodenticides means the chemicals which can destroy the rodents is called the rodenticides. Okay, now here you will see insecticides. Insecticides means chemical to kill. Okay, the chemicals which we use in the crops field to destroy the insect, that is called the insecticide. The student, these are sites. If sites means to kill, okay, see here, sites means if the chemicals can use to destroy the rodents, then it is called the rodent sites. If the chemicals we can use to destroy the pest, that is called the pesticides. If the chemicals which we use to kill the insect, that is called the insecticides. Now let's continue. Insecticides are used to kill the egg, larva and adult of insects. Okay, insecticides we can use to kill the eggs, larva, when the egg is converted into the larva, and adult of insect, means it can kill this things. Use of the pesticides had been found in the cause adverse side effects in the biosphere or ecosystem. Therefore, scientists are looking at ways to control the pest without using chemicals. Okay, the natural enemies of the pest are put in the field, which will destroy only the pest without harming the crops. It's true, students, if we will use a lots of pesticides, insecticides, rodenticides, these all are the chemicals. Okay, if we will use these chemicals in the field, then it will affect your environment also. It can affect your biosphere or ecosystem also. Okay, then some scientist has researched some natural chemicals, no, natural chemicals which can kill the pest and not harms your main crops. Okay, that is called the biological control, or control is the method of use of a biological organism to control the plant pest. Okay, in the biological control we can use the neem leaves also. Okay, with the help of the neem leaves also we can control the pest, insects and the rodents also. The biological control means a natural things which we use to kill the pest, rodents and insects. Then this is about your crop protection, how you will protect your crop. In this paragraph they want to say only first point is that by fences and boundary walls. Okay, second point is by raising scarecrows. Third point is by using the pesticides, by using the rodenticides, by using the insecticides. In the last, in the natural way which we control, these all things are called the biological control or control. Okay, that these all are the methods. With the help of this method we can easily protect our crops. Let's see here what is given in the HOTS. In the HOTS they are written here, use of pheromones, okay, which are the chemical substances that can lure adult male insects, trap them and prevent them from breeding. Okay, farmers and gardeners release ladybirds which eat insect pests called aphids and thus protect the plant. Students, here you will see pheromones are the one kind of the chemical substance. Okay, the function of this chemical substance is that it can attract the adult male insect and trap them. Lure means attract adult male insects, trap them and prevent from the breeding, means mating, prevent from the mating. The pheromones is a one kind of the chemical substance. It is a very useful, we can use in the crop fields to protect our crop plants. Okay, next one is farmers and gardeners releases a ladybird. Ladybird is in the red in color, and it is not red in, we cannot say particular color here. Then farmers and gardeners releases the ladybird in the garden, which can, what they are doing here, eat insect pest called aphids and thus protect the plants. So students, that these all are the natural things. With the help of this one we can protect our crop plants. Now another topic is the harvesting. Students, before starting this topic harvesting, you can understand all these agricultural practices. Okay, in the next video I will explain you about the harvesting. Till then, bye, have a nice day.